Counsel, who is this woman? And why is she asking this court to stop the inheritance today?
Your Honor, because Jimmy Carter was my father, and this estate was never meant for only 3 children.
That's impossible. My father had no other children.
Your Honor, we'd like to submit a handwritten letter signed by Jimmy Carter 6 months before his death. She waited until our father died to destroy this family. Nobody will accuse anyone until this court reviews the document. The letter states, "If my daughter ever comes forward, she deserves to be heard before my estate is divided."
Anyone could have forged that letter.
Then this court will determine whether the signature belongs to Jimmy Carter.
That letter isn't the strongest evidence I brought today.
Then this hearing is far from over. Counsel, are you telling this court the handwriting expert has already examined Jimmy Carter's letter? Yes, Your Honor. The expert concluded the signature matches Jimmy Carter's known handwriting.
One letter doesn't make her my father's daughter.
Your Honor, we're also submitting her original birth certificate. Our father never mentioned another child. Not once. The court will admit the birth certificate into evidence.
A birth certificate alone doesn't establish paternity.
I didn't come here expecting sympathy. I came because my father told me to tell the truth at the right time.
This court now has a verified letter and an original birth certificate. Ms. Bennett's claim cannot be dismissed without further examination. Your Honor, there's one witness who can explain why she was kept out of the will. This court will hear that witness next. Counsel, are you saying someone intentionally kept Tiffany Bennett out of Jimmy Carter's will?
Yes, Your Honor. And I was instructed never to contact her.
That's not true. My father never gave those instructions.
This is the lawyer's original memorandum, written the same day Jimmy Carter signed his estate instructions.
For 26 years, I wasn't forgotten, I was kept away.
The memorandum will be admitted into evidence.
Your Honor, if someone blocked her inheritance, we need to know who made that decision.
I never received those instructions from Jimmy Carter himself.
Then this court must determine who acted in Jimmy Carter's name without authority. The estate executor can answer that question. The truth is only beginning to surface.
Before we continue, I want to hear your opinion. If you found out your parent had a secret child, would you welcome them into the family? Or do you think the original inheritance should remain unchanged? Let me know in the comments. Now, let's get back to court.
Executor, did you instruct the attorney to keep Tiffany Bennett out of Jimmy Carter's estate?
Yes, Your Honor. But those instructions didn't come from Jimmy Carter.
That's a lie. You're blaming this family to protect yourself.
While I was grieving a father I barely knew, someone was making sure I'd never be acknowledged.
The email will be admitted into evidence. Executor, who sent you that email?
It came from Jimmy Carter's eldest son, Dawson Carter.
Your Honor, I sent the email, but I never claimed she wasn't his daughter.
Then why did he tell the executor to keep Tiffany Bennett away from probate? This court expects that answer next. Mr. Carter, are you telling this court you already knew Tiffany Bennett was Jimmy Carter's daughter?
Yes, Your Honor. My father told me 2 months before his death.
You knew, and you let us believe she was a stranger? Your Honor, we'd like to introduce Jimmy Carter's final voice recording.
He promised me one day I'd stand beside my brothers and sisters, not outside the courtroom.
The recording will be played before this court.
If anything happens to me, every one of my children deserves an equal share.
Mr. Carter, why did you ignore your father's final instruction?
I thought protecting my family meant protecting my father's reputation.
Your Honor, the amended will explains what Jimmy Carter intended each child to receive. Then this court will examine that will. Counsel, does Jimmy Carter's amended will state exactly how he wanted this estate divided? Yes, Your Honor. The amended will names all 3 of Jimmy Carter's children.
I thought I was protecting our family. Instead, I betrayed my father's final wishes.
Clause 7 states, "My estate shall be divided equally among my 3 children, without exception."
I never came here to take anyone's inheritance. I came here because my father finally told the truth.
The court finds the amend will valid and admissible.
We spent years believing she never existed.
This court orders Jimmy Carter's estate to be distributed equally among his 3 legal children.
I thought I was protecting our family. Instead, I betrayed my father's final wishes.
My father gave me an inheritance today. But what I wanted most was to finally be acknowledged as his daughter.
This matter is concluded. Court is adjourned.
If you discovered a secret sibling after an inheritance was almost divided, what would you do? Tell me in the comments, and subscribe now for more courtroom stories.